Alright, I'm gonna make a really nerdy video because I finally got a fitting that came with the hydraulic pump that I took off. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. So, this goes way back to before I was born. This is the original mil-spec MS33656. It was canceled long ago, I think back in the 80s, and it was replaced or superseded by SAE-AS4395, and this defines the shape of this fitting. And what I always thought was super cool about this was, if you notice on this side, on the left side, there's a rubber O-ring on there. But if you look on the right side, there isn't an O-ring, or there isn't anything that seals it. That's because it seals on the face, and you can see the wear on it. I always thought that was just extremely cool that someone actually designed a fitting that just seals metal to metal. And this one, if we look at diameter C, is 354, 355. So diameter C, 355. So it's somewhere around, so it's a 4. But I just thought that was the coolest thing ever when I learned about that. And once you figure out what's going on with these, it makes it infinitely easier for hydraulics, which is why it was on the hydraulic pump that I bought. So I thought that was cool, thought I would share.